organic Bulgarian. Ugh. Oh, this is just not good. Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trisha if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. How are you? What are you making? What are you doing? How are things in your corner of the world? Are you okay? I hope you're okay. We're okay. We're recovering from COVID. We're both quite tired, but other than that, everything seems to be going okay. This is the channel where I document my fiber journey, and hopefully I'm back on track with my fiber journey, but who knows, right? Yesterday was crazy and the day before was crazy. I opened my shop back up. I've been putting some new stuff in my shop. You guys gotta see what I got to put in my shop. Look at this hilarious towel that's going up in my shop. Those are going in. I've just been really busy. You guys, I appreciate the support. It's just wonderful. Thank you so much. Today, I was feeling like I really way overdid it yesterday. So tired. So I have been taking it kind of easy, and then I got the packages from the Paradise subscription, and this is for February 2021. I cannot wait to open one of these. I'm excited. I did not quite finish January, but who cares? It doesn't matter. Like, it's not a race, right? You might be wondering why I have 2 of these. So if you're new, Paradise sends me one of these to open on my channel, and I buy one to give away to one of you. So the way it works, if you want to enter to win one, is you just comment starting on this video for this bag all the way up until the next bag shows up, and then it starts all over again. At the end of this video, I will pick a winner for the January bag that you've all been commenting to get a chance to win. And occasionally one of you asks, yes, I ship internationally. I have shipped to other countries before. Good luck. And let's open one. All I know about this one is that it's something about opposites, but I don't really know what they mean by that. If it means textures or colors, or gosh, I don't know, maybe both, right? Hey, let's make sure I don't cut into something in here. Want to? Okay. This is like the little newsletter that we get when we're in the club. Peace and more, love and hate, up and down, black and white. These famous duplexities, I didn't even know that was a word, teach us that every aspect of life is created from a harmonious interaction of opposing and competing forces that balance each other like a well-plied hand-spun yarn. Crafting this month, contrasting shades, textures, and fiber contents, all in one unique fiber blend. So it's in a blend. We call these blends, oh, it's in blends, Gotland Tweed, and we hope creating with them brings more balance and serenity to your life. Then they also tell you what you're getting in this package. All right, we're just gonna pull one out. All right, so this one is 4 ounces of yin black and approximately 4 ounces of yang white in opposite colored organza bags. This is very nice. It is quite a bit softer than I think of Gotland. Is there other stuff in here? Yes. Okay, 50% natural Gotland, 25% merino, 20% tussa silk, and 5% viscose tweed. So there is a lot of stuff in here. It is very soft and I'm loving it. I love a heather. We all know that. That's no secret. Very, very soft, and it feels really like squishy. They also send you kind of like some suggestion stuff of ways that you can use it. And one of the pictures is the 2 applied together, but there's a note on here. And in case you decide you want to buy some of this or get the bag, you should hear the note. So it says, please be aware, due to the nature of black dye, the dyed tussa silk and the dyed viscose tweed in the yin blend may bleed for the first few washes. You may wish to wash before spinning if you plan to work with the white yang fiber to prevent color bleeding. I don't know if this is like common knowledge or what, but dyed silk also just tends to bleed. It's just one of those things. And I don't know. I don't know if that's like everybody knows that, but it's good info to have if you're thinking, ooh, I want some of that. It is very, very nice. And you know I want to dye this. Wait, is it 4 ounces of each? Yes. Because the reason I really want to dye this is because all the different fibers will take the dye differently, so you'll get such an interesting look. So I might have to dye it. And it's really soft. I mean, I don't really think of Gotland as a particularly soft wool, but this blend is really nice and soft. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but sometimes I just wait and let something come to me. All right, so what else is in here? Okay, so also it says Notions bag. Look how cute that is. Creating a space of calm while crafting. Organic Bulgarian lavender essential oil. Is that this? Yep, I bet it is. Oh my gosh, I can't get it. Yep, okay, so here's the essential oil. Look at this cute little thing, and honestly, even if you use it up, this is like a handy size. I can't smell anything right now because of COVID, so I'm gonna save it. I can't smell and I can't taste. Oh, and a spiral stitch marker with 2 contrasting lava beads trapped inside. That's cool. It says use your dropper to place a single drop of oil on the beads, so it'll like scent your fun knitting times. I hope it's not too sparkly to see. No, you can see the little beads in there. So you can put a drop of oil on them and then just enjoy the lavender. Just get even more calm while you're knitting. That's really cool. I love their stitch markers. I'm telling you, some of these are my favorites. Okay, next, enjoy a soothing organic cup of tea that blends leaves from the Tulsi plant, or Tulsi, I don't know, with calm lavender. So, yum. Organic lavender Tulsi tea. That's always very fun. And then Eunice the sheep has taken a striking Yuan and Yang appearance this month in a clear vinyl sticker form. Look how cute she is. You see, it's like all of us. We all have a dark side. Eunice is no different. Awesome. This is going to be really fun. So thanks, Paradise. This is a full 8 ounces of fiber this month. That is crazy. And I can't believe how you made Gotland this soft. It's amazing. And I love this. I can't wait till I can smell again and use it. So thanks, Paradise. These subscriptions are so much fun. I look forward to this day. I seriously do. At the beginning of the month, I start thinking like, ooh, my bag's gonna be here soon. So thanks, you guys. I hope everything is great. And let's go pick a winner from last month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wow, 6. So I use random number generator to see which video we're gonna use. And it's number 1, so that's good. The last unboxing video, so we get a link for it. You guys have seen me do this a million times, or most of you have. It is randomcommentpicker.com. All you have to do is paste the link. And then get comments, 143, and start. Kathy Costello, you win. Congratulations, Kathy. All you have to do to claim your box is email me at FiberLoveDiary@gmail.com with your snail mail address, and I will send it to you. So I hope you guys enjoy your boxes this month, and I will see you soon. Thanks. I love you. Bye.